Hi, it's Leah at Blackfish Finance, and just wanted to do an up-to-date today about refinance rebates. So there are a lot of lenders offering cold hard cash to try and get you to come across to their business. So first of all, we've had a lot of clients contacting us, say XYZ Banks contacted me, they said they're going to give me X amount of $1,000 to move. What do you think? So first of all, yes, brokers can do exactly what they've offered to you. So at the moment, there's a big range of banks that are offering cash incentives, anywhere from $2,000, $3,000 per property or $4,000. So firstly, if you are considering refinancing just for a cash grab, you will be a full refinance and full paperwork involved. So even though it is a beautiful incentive, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind. So on your current home loan, you need to check if you're at a variable rate or on a fixed rate. If you're currently on a fixed rate, there could be costs incurred for you to break that early to try and chase that cash. So that's the first thing that's super important. If you're already borrowing 80% of what your house is worth, if you change, they will need a valuation, we will need full paperwork, and it would mean if you're borrowing more than 80% of what your house is worth, you would pay some lender's mortgage insurance. It's not transferable from loan to loan or lender to lender. So in saying that though, there's opportunity for some serious cash if it is in your best interest. So if you are interested, you're hearing about them, we have lenders, like I say, offering $2,000 refinance rebate. And what that means is whenever you do refinance, it does usually cost you a couple of $100. So the banks are offering a rebate to try and lure you in and get you excited. We have got one lender that is offering $3,000 per property as long as the lending is $250,000 or more. So one of our clients has $9,000 that's coming their way, and we've got them a better rate and a better package. And then another lender's offering $4,000 per client. So depending on your personal situation, could make a difference of what we're doing with a refinance and a rebate. It's not generally something I sell as a reason to make a decision. We look at the long-term plans of you and your finance and your interest rates, and then that's a bonus if we are comparing apples with apples. But if you've got any questions, let us know. We can do a quick review of your home loan. We can let you know if you are eligible. So like I say, there are some restrictions of how much you have to borrow to be able to get that cash back, and it's something that will just come, even a month or two after you've settled the loan. So it's not instant cash, but it is a good bonus if it's something you're considering anyway, and there's some really good rates in the market. So if you've got any questions, let us know. If you need to check if you are eligible or if you've got any break costs, let us know. Don't just jump ahead with that lender that's called you, because there could be some hidden fees in there that you haven't thought about. So have a good day, and it's a good time to refinance, and let me know if you've got any questions. I'll speak to you soon.